Have you ever wondered what your true passion is? It's a question that echoes in our minds at different stages of life. A quest to find purpose, to unearth that unique spark that sets our souls on fire. It's often a labyrinth of self-discovery, a journey that promises to reveal our most authentic selves. It's about finding what makes us leap out of bed every morning, brimming with excitement. So are you ready to uncover your passion? Discovering what you love requires a journey of self-discovery. Let's embark on this journey together. The first step in finding your passion is self-reflection. So what does this really mean? It's all about taking a journey inward and exploring your past experiences, interests, and dreams. Think about the times when you felt truly alive, when you lost track of time because you were so engrossed in what you were doing. These moments can offer valuable clues about your passion. Consider your interests, both past and present. What are the things that you naturally gravitate towards? What topics could you spend hours talking about without getting bored? These interests often hint at deeper passions waiting to be discovered. Now, let's delve into your dreams. What did you aspire to become when you were a child? What are the things you wish to achieve in your lifetime? Your dreams, no matter how big or small, reveal your deepest desires and passions. Remember, honesty and openness are key during this process. Don't shy away from your true feelings. Self-reflection allows you to understand yourself better and identify what truly ignites your spirit. The second step is experimentation. Think of it like a culinary adventure with you as the chef. You can't know if you love a dish unless you've tasted it, right? So, it's time to dip your spoon into the soup of life and see what flavors you prefer. Start by exploring activities linked to your previous interests. Loved painting as a child? Why not try a pottery class? Or if you were a bookworm, perhaps you might discover a knack for writing. The aim is to uncover the nuances of your passions and see what truly resonates with you. But don't stop there. Venture into unfamiliar territories. Learn a new language, try rock climbing, or delve into quantum physics. The key is to step out of your comfort zone and challenge yourself. Remember, there's no right or wrong here. It's about the journey, not the destination. Through this process, you'll learn more about yourself and your preferences. Experimentation opens doors to new possibilities. It's a step closer to finding your passion. The third step is persistence. This is the stage where determination meets action. Picture this. You're on a long road trip. You've got your destination in mind, but along the way, you encounter detours, roadblocks, and maybe even a few flat tires. Does this mean you should abandon your journey? Absolutely not. Just like this road trip, the journey to find your passion is not always smooth. There will be setbacks, there will be challenges, but these are not signs that you're on the wrong path. On the contrary, they are simply part of the process. Embrace them, learn from them. They are the stepping stones that lead to growth. Remember, persistence isn't about never failing, but about getting back up every time you do. So keep trying, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Persistence is key in this journey. Remember, the road to passion is a marathon, not a sprint. And finally, we've reached the end of our journey. It's been a ride, hasn't it? We've reflected on our innermost desires in the realm of self-discovery, experimented with a variety of interests, and emphasized the importance of persistence in our pursuit of passion. Let's take a moment to revisit our steps. We started with self-reflection, opening our hearts and minds to understand what truly moves us. Then, we dived into the world of experimentation, trying out different things to see what sparks joy and fuels our creative spirit. And lastly, we learned about the power of persistence, because, as we all know, the road to discovering our passion isn't always a straight one. It's filled with twists and turns, but that's what makes the journey so rewarding. But the journey doesn't end here. No, it's just beginning, because finding your passion is a personal and continuous journey, a journey that is as unique as you are. And now, for the surprise we've been hinting at, we've put together a downloadable guide titled, How to Find Your Passion. This guide is packed with additional tips, exercises, and inspirational stories to help you on your journey. Consider it a compass, guiding you as you navigate the path to your passion. Remember, your passion is out there waiting for you to discover it. So, start your journey today.